Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I have been on here. I just got caught up with school and work. I know this is a new background. This is my boyfriend's apartment. I'm just here while he's in class right now, just hanging out until he gets back. So yeah, you probably see a lot of videos from here just because that's where I am most of the time when I'm not at school or work. But yeah. So yeah, today I'm going to be testing a new product I got. It's the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. The application directions say smooth onto skin and let dry, can be worn alone or under makeup. Also just kind of ignore this whole situation going on right here. I'm on my period, so it's probably way too TMI, but it's just what happens when you're on your period. So it says, let me read about it. I really like the packaging, by the way, the whole mirrored kind of thing going on here, but it says, prepping for a long day or recovering from a late night, give your skin a pick-me-up with this energizing and skin-nourishing primer using the 4-in-1 correcting primer to perk up the look of your skin and prep it for flawless-looking makeup application. Packed with good for your skin ingredients such as probiotics, aloe, caffeine, and coconut water. It's the perfect beauty tonic and primer for your best and worst skin days. This is what it looks like. In the light, kind of, it's got like a little bit of like a rainbow, like holographic kind of effect going on here. It's Energize and Rescue. And it just unscrews. Alright. So smooth on to clean, moisturized skin, allow it to dry, and then follow up with their favorite Pure foundation. I will not be using a Pure foundation today because I don't own one. This is what it looks like. It comes out kind of thick. It doesn't really have a smell to it, so that's good. I don't really like smelly things. Oh, it's really like creamy. So I'm just gonna put that all over. The skin feels a little tacky, which is good because then it will stick. Yeah. So far, I'm liking it, so I'm just gonna use my foundation now. I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in Fairly Light Neutral. A little bit of that, just that much. And then I also got the Morphe contoured sponge thingy, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna go grab a mirror. So far, I'm like really liking the way my skin looks right now. And I don't really know if it's just in my head that it looks good or if it actually just looks good. That foundation is like really nice. Or not the foundation, that primer is really nice. I've been looking for a good primer like this for like the longest time. Oh my gosh, like I think I just found it. You guys, I think I just found my new favorite primer. That's what it is. The Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. I'm officially in love with that primer. Like, my skin looks so pretty. And it's not just me, like, I'm not crazy, am I? Like, comment down below if you think this is good. because I think it's good. So for my concealer, I'm gonna go in with 2 different ones just to kind of make, because this one's too light for me now and this one's getting too dark for me now. So I'm gonna mix the 2. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. You guys can tell it's too light for me, can't you? And this is the e.l.f. HD concealing thingy in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna mix the 2. So now I'm going to use the my setting powder. Dude, look at my skin right now. Like, I'm loving this. Anyways, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. I think it's HD like lifting something setting powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I'm living for my face right now. Now I'm just gonna take a kind of a fluffier brush right here. This is the airbrush powder brush, and I'm just gonna dip it. I'm just gonna tap off the excess and then just rub it on my face. Wow. Now, since this primer was so good, I really want to try their foundations. Like, wow, this is also silicone free for any of you that were wondering, but I love it. Oh my god. I'm like feeling myself right now. All right, let me stop. I'm just gonna spray myself with some MAC Fix Plus real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. But right now, I'm like living for my face. I'm obsessed so far. I love this and I recommend it. But yeah, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did the rest of my makeup. I basically just did bronzer and highlighter and blush. I'm kind of going for like the natural glam today. So yeah, I'm in love with this primer. My skin looks literally amazing. The highlight, by the way, I know I mentioned this in my last video, I think. The highlight is Dreamer by Norvina, and my bronzer is Incense by Norvina. Just saying. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this look. I didn't put mascara or anything on today just because I wasn't really feeling it, but yeah, I'm really loving this look. Like, loving it. I'm obsessed. Like, this is like my new favorite primer, and I know you guys are probably gonna be shocked because they're used to me using this, the poreless one. I might mix it in maybe every now and then, but as of right now, this is my number one. Like, it helped with my pores. Like, my skin looks flawless, minus this, but we'll just put this over that. I'm obsessed, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done looking at myself. I'm obsessed with this palette. I love it. Not this palette. I'm obsessed with this primer. I love it. I recommend it. If you have the stuff for it, go and get it. Yeah, I love it. And I hope you guys are gonna love it too when you go and get it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.